Welcome. This short video is going to address the issue of how to use a whiteboard when you're doing online training. Now, this works. It really does. But you do have to already have an iPad and an iPencil. So if you don't have those things, this is not going to be a cheap solution for you. And there are other alternatives. But if you have them, or you have an iPad and are willing to buy the iPencil, this works. I had to get over the fact that it's never going to be as good as a great big whiteboard in front of a classroom or even a flip chart where you can get kind of creative. But as I said, this works. Now, the first thing that I did was I acquired this program called Reflector 3. And you can try it out for free, so that's a good place to start. But you can also see that it's $24.07, so it's not a huge investment. And if you go to the web page, it tells you how to install the program on your PC, and it was really straightforward. Now remember, I already have the software installed, so I'm going to bring it up right now. And there it is. And it says there's no devices connected. It's because I haven't done screen mirroring yet. So I'm going to press on screen mirroring. It says desktop. And then it asks me to copy this number, 4573, onto my iPad. And they were all set. And look, there's my iPad right there in front of me. So anything that's happening on my iPad now, you're going to see on the computer screen. So that's pretty cool. And as I said, anything that's going on, I can show you. So we're going to pretend we're in the middle of a Zoom meeting right now, and I want to share my whiteboard with you. I have, of course, already set up Reflector 3, and I have mirrored my iPad. So I'm all set, and that's on my other monitor so I can see it. And I'm going to organize it now so that you can see what's happening too. So you can see that I have my iPad here, and it's a little bit small, but I can make that fill the screen, or pretty much fill the screen. I'm going to use this program here called Notability, and Notability is really a fun program. If you've got an iPad, you need Notability, but that's for another day. Here we're going to just create a new note, and again, I can make this bigger so that it just looks better. There we go. How's that? All right, so now if I want to draw a diagram, I can draw a diagram and we can carry on showing relationships. We can put some math on here. We can do anything we want. We can draw flowers. It's whatever you need it for. And there's colors and all sorts of fun things. I just wanted you to see how it looked. I hope that's kind of inspired you. As I said, it requires a few pieces of the puzzle, but I think once you get it, you're going to love it. Well, that's it. But let's just take a minute to bring it all together. So what do we use? Well, use my iPad. And as I said, if you don't have an iPad, then this solution's not for you. But if you have one, and you have an iPencil, you're all set. I used Reflector, which you can get from airsquirrels.com. Buy it for $24.03, or you can use it free for a few days and try it out, see how you like it. And then finally we brought it all together using Notability. And Notability, I think it's about $12, and you can download it from the App Store. And remember, if you've got an iPad, you should have Notability. So that's it. I hope you found this useful and interesting. That's it for now. Thanks very much. Hope to see you soon.